care units. The state, meantime, is less than a week away now from reopening its economy as California sheds many of its pandemic restrictions. But key questions remain about how this reopening will affect you. 17's Moses Small in studio with some answers tonight. Moses?
Jim, good evening. The state is doing away with its color-coded system of coronavirus restrictions on Tuesday. Meanwhile, businesses and local governments can still choose to implement tougher rules. But here's a look at how Kern County will reopen next week. The state plans to lift most pandemic restrictions on Tuesday as the state retires the blueprint for a safer economy. Health officials say public life will largely return to normal.
Everyday life will feel a lot like it did before COVID-19, with most places being open with no capacity limitations or social distancing requirements.
Large indoor events will have to follow new rules if more than 5,000 people will be there.
Needing to mask if you have not been vaccinated in these mega events, and also having to show proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test to enter some of these indoor mega events. But then it's also recommended that you have to show that proof for outdoor mega events.
The state says it plans to update its mask mandate to follow CDC guidelines, which require everyone to wear masks in places like hospitals and public transit. The state says fully vaccinated people can ditch their masks in other public settings. Officials say Cal OSHA has not released its new mask guidance yet, so rules for private businesses and workplaces remain up in the air.
And Cal OSHA will now step up and really be that body that will govern much of how our businesses operate moving forward.
County officials say restrictions for large indoor events will last until at least October 1st, as health experts keep track of case rates as well as vaccines. In studio, Moses Small, 17 News.